विधवा बायला आड गोंयांत कांय कडेन भेदभाव करपी प्रथा आसात. ह्यो प्रथा बंद जावन विधवा बायलांक मान सन्मान मेळपा खातीर फुडल्या अधिवेशनात कायदो दुरुस्त जातली. बायलां आनी भुरगीं उदरगत खात्याचे मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी हें आस्वासन दिलें. विधवा बायलांक मंगळसूत्र घालपाक मेळना, कांय कडेन तांकां धर्मीक कार्यावळींत वांटो घेवपाक मेळना अश्यो प्रथा आसात. ह्यो प्रथा बंद जावपा खातीर जागृताय करपा सयत उपाय येवजण करपाची मागणी युरी आलेमावान केल्ली. ह्या विशींचो खासगी थाराव तांणी सभाघरांत मांडिल्लो. थारावाचेर चर्चा जाल्ले उपरांत मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन कायद्यांत दुरुस्ती करपाचें आस्वासन दिलें.
We need to legislate, and we need to legislate that we need to apply our mind on seeing what type of legislation is required. And I can assure you speaker sir that under the guidance of the Chief Minister, Law Minister, Leader of Opposition and another two members of the opposition, the lady members who are there, their opinions, views. That's why I would request the Honorable, I make a commitment today to you on the floor of the House, is that in the July, whenever the next session is held, before the next session, we'll have a couple of meetings under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister. Let's deliberate on it. Let us do justice to what we want to do just by passing a resolution. I'm not saying you did a good thing by bringing the resolution, drawing the attention of the government. It's fine, but we need to legislate. We will legislate and bring about a law within the purviews of what we have and powers vested in the state government to prevent any kind of widow discrimination happening in the state of Goa. My only appeal is to the honourable member is, though I share his sentiment along with all the Chief Minister and all of us do share the sentiments, and we are all unanimous that we are against widow discrimination, let us bring a proper law and legislate and bring a proper law which is in consultation with all of you in the next assembly session. I make an assurance on the floor of the House that under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister and guidance we will bring, and the Law Minister Mr. Cabral and the Leader of Opposition, and we have there also Mr. Carlos is there, he is also a lawyer by profession, and many other members who would like to be a part of it with their suggestions. We will bring a proper thorough law to prevent any kind of widow discrimination in the state of Goa. Hence, I appeal to the Honourable Leader of Opposition is that his point is addressed by the government. We request the Honourable Leader of Opposition is, instead of passing this resolution, let us, already made a commitment on the floor of the House that the Chief Minister has already given me directions that before July in the next assembly session, whenever the next assembly session is held, you will have a law which is in consultation with you. So this law, we will make sure that we bring it in the next assembly session and we will clear this bill.